Hello everyone, this is Jasbir Singh, and in this video tutorial we are going to see how to create a Hello World application using Eclipse for Android programming. For this, fire up Eclipse. Now let's create an application. File, new, Android application project. Let my application name be Hello World App. So this is the project name, which will be one word, and this is a package name. Let the package name be this com.helloworldapp. The minimum required SDK is, let it be for Froyo. The target SDK, let it be Jellybean. Next, next, next. Here it asks you to create an activity. Activity is nothing but this is just the screen. For our case, let me use this simplest activity or the simple screen, which will be shown like this. Full screen shows as this. Master detail shows as this. In the current scenario, I'm using blank activity. Next. Okay. At the end, we see that there will be two things. This is activity name. This, which is main activity. Main activity, it will contain the Java part or the Java coding for the application, and this is layout name. This will be my .xml file, whose purpose will be to create a design of the application. This way, we can separate programming logic from the design logic. Finish. Here it shows loading data for Android 4.4.2 100%. Wait for some time. Okay, now my application has been generated. This is my Android application. This is my package name, and in this package, this is my class main activity.java. If I double click this one, main activity.java, this shows that this main activity.java, this main activity class extends this class, which is activity, and this is the first override method. The most important line in this is to link this .java, which is to link this class main activity with the design. How this is done? This is done using this line. This shows that using this line we can link between this main activity class and this XML file, which is there in R. R means resource dot layout. Let's go also resource layout, then activity underscore main dot XML, activity underscore main dot XML. So this line is important because this links class programming code with the design part. So double click this one. We see that our first application is there, and if you want to see the coding part, this is a graphical layout that shows that how the application will appear, and this is the coding part. Since in this application this is text view element hello world, which displays a message hello world, therefore if we see this part, we see there is an element text view and it displays this string hello world. Now let us see how to run this application. For this, first of all, let's create one Android virtual device. Go to Window, Android virtual device. There is no virtual device. It shows no AVD available. No Android virtual device is available. So let's create a one new. Okay, since it is AVD, I'll mention its name as AVD. Let it be for this 5.1. and the target device on which for which I'll create this, let it be Android 4.4.2. Let me make the name also clear, 4.4.2. okay, and the size of the SD card which I insert in a device, let its size be 1024, which stands for 1 GB. Okay, now see that this AVD or Android virtual device has been created. So let's start it, highlight it and start. Launch starting emulator for AVD, which is AVD 442. It will take some time, then eventually it will appear. It has appeared now. Now there is no need of this screen, I can close this one. Let's run our first application, which is Hello World app. Right click, run as Android application. Wait for some time. We see that the Hello World application appears now. Just monitor logicad and display logicad view if there are messages with a priority higher than error. Okay, so this way our first application is ready. And if you go to the home screen, go to applications, there should be an icon which is not there right now. Okay, there is an icon for Hello World app. If I double click this, it will execute.